Hello all, welcome to dayofthebuy.com. Today we are here at the Discovery Gardens to meet a very eminent personality from the field of Ayurvedic medicine. He is none other than Dr. Satya, the founder of Ayur Satya. He has been practicing the traditional Ayurvedic medicine for more than 24 years now. Let us all hear him speak about the benefits of Ayurveda in today's world.
The main difference between the Ayurvedic system of medicine and the conventional system of medicine called as allopathic system of medicine, the difference is mainly when we get sick, any illness, we meet a doctor for that illness to treat it. So, we are treating the illness and it get cured off. But when it comes to the system in Ayurvedic medicine, exactly we approach in a different way. We just not looking on the organism that which caused the disease, rather than we just look on how it infected in the body on the basically. That means the imbalance is basically happened in the body system. That is the root cause. When we say the root cause, mean if organisms are everywhere, whether it is a virus or in a bacteria or it is a mold, whatever be, it is all everywhere every time. But it is not attacking our body system because we are protected. We had a very good immune system that which protects from all the illnesses. When this immunity goes down, this causes the problems. So, main thing is the immune system, not the bacteria or the viruses. Ayurveda emphasizes mainly on the immune enhancing system to balance this. We call it as Tridosha Samatvam, Vata Pitta Kavam, that is the three doshas or the metabolic factors or the controlling factors that makes our immune system strong. So, where there is a difference happening, we just calculate on the basic from the cellular level where the Vata, Pitta, Kapha are being imbalanced. So, for a common man to understand, it's very, these terminologies will be difficult. So, Vata, simply we say that anything that which able to move from one side to other, that movement, whether the blood or the nerves which conductions, all these things are with the help of Vata. Metabolism we call it as, it is basically Pitta. Kapha, that means the secretions, all these body secretions and the upholding systems of the body is mainly with Kapha. So, when these three are in balance only, our system we call it as normal or healthy. When this healthy body, this balance, then only mentally we can say. So, health means it is a balance of health, and the mental stage is called Samadosha, Samagnischa, Samadhadu Malakriya, Prasanna Atma Indriya Manaha Swastha Ityapadiyade. This is the definition. So, when Swastha means the healthy person means we have to acquire even mental wellness, not the free of diseases. Then only it is called a disease free body. Ayurveda emphasizes on that principle to bring back your health into normalcy and gaining your mental clarity and the peace of the body. We have to feel it, that the happiness which we everybody can acquire through a balancing of health, not from free of diseases. So, lot of people are being healthy, but they are mentally sick. How it is happening? It is not a psychiatric problem, it is a problem basically with the imbalances in the health. So, Ayurveda emphasizes to balancing it. So, balancing Tridosha Siddhantam, basically when doctors will look on other matters, Saptadhadus, all these things. This is the basic differences. Ayurveda never treat any diseases directly to the body with any involvement of medicines, or we cannot prescribe any medicines and cure any diseases. That is wrong methodology. When people say that, they believes that is happening, but that is how it is happening means it gives the body to help it to balancing the system. The body knows how to heal it up. It is really the self healing mechanism and helping from outside, a doctor or a Vaidya, whoever been understanding the imbalance and balancing it. This is the major differences between the allopathic system and the Ayurvedic system.